Hi everyone, today I'm going to be solving the Leetcode question transpose matrix, and as the question is naming in the title, what we want to do is find the transpose of a matrix. So if you have taken any math classes in university or high school, you are probably familiar with what a transpose is. But just in case you don't know, I'll just quickly go over that. And basically what it is just flipping the rows with the columns in the matrix. So if you see here, there's a 3 by 3 matrix, and the destination is also going to be 3 by 3 because the rows and columns are the same. And the first row becomes the first column. And like that, in a transpose, the second row becomes the second column, and the third row becomes the third column. So that's really what a transpose is. And it's pretty straightforward when the dimensions of the matrix are the same. But a good example is given in example 2 in the problem, where it's a 2 by 3 matrix, which is transposed, and it becomes a 3 by 2 matrix. So if I was to paste that here, you can see that this 2 by 3 matrix, because there's 2 rows and 3 columns, it becomes in the destination 3 rows and 2 columns. So it just gets swapped. And if you see how it's working here, the 1 2 3, which is the first row, becomes 1 2 3 the first column, and the second row 4 5 6 becomes the second row second column in the destination. So that's what a transpose is. And to solve this problem, it's actually pretty straightforward if you just understand what matrix transposition is, because it's kind of like a math problem, this one. So you kind of just need to understand it from the math side. And if you hadn't taken any course on this, it might be difficult to solve it. But I will just start with the solution for this problem of how I would approach it. So we know that the rows and columns are going to flip. So if I'll create a destination matrix, which is what I'm going to return in this method. And if you want to create the dimensions of this destination matrix, first you have to get the rows. So let's see, rows equals matrix dot length of the matrix that we're given, and the columns equals matrix 0 dot length. And in the destination matrix, which is what I'm labeling as solution, I just need to swap these two together. So make it C rows and R columns. And now if I want to fill up this matrix, all I need to do is just go through the input matrix, which I'm doing now for int j equals 0 to j matrix 0 dot length. And then in solution, so here we'll need to swap the rows and columns. So it'll be ji equals the original matrix ij, because we're just doing the same swap that we would do by hand in the code. So we're just switching ji with ij here. And all you really need to do to solve this problem is just return this solution. And I'll remove this part. And if I run this code, I get accepted. And if I submit, it's successful. So this is the way that you can solve this problem. It's a solution which is going to use auxiliary space of n squared, because we're creating another matrix, and it's a O of n square runtime as well, because we are going through all of the input matrix values to fill up this matrix. So it's O of n square time and space. So this is the solution to this problem. I hope you found this video useful, and please subscribe for more videos in the future. Thank you.